Hi guys, it's Katie from Belle Decor, and today I'm going to show you how to do a lark's head knot. So you get your piece of cord and then find the ends of the cord like so, and then find the other end of the cord and meet them together like that, and then find the center of the cord where you'll then have a loop. Now if you want to create this lark's head knot where the front of the loop shows at the front of your piece of work, then you work where you overlap the loop at the back of the project and then pull the cords through the loop that you've just created and then pull to tighten, like so. Really simple. And then you can also use do it back to front like this, and you do the same thing. So grab one end of your cord and then meet it with the other end like this. Again, find your center of the loop, and then this time you'll take the cord over the back of your piece of work, bring the loop round to the front, and then again pull the ends through the center of the loop, and this will be your reverse lark's head knot. Now both of these can be used for most macrame designs, whether it's a wall hanging or a plant hanging, and you can just move them along the dowel in your piece of work as close or as far apart as you like, and they're really easy to just slide along like that. And there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe.